Hello there, I'm going to show you how to make this journal pencil case. It now holds all of your pens, so you can have your pen with your journal, and it has an elasticated cover in order to get it around your journal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have over 500 sewing tutorials, and let's see how to make this journal cover pencil case. Let's run through all the pieces you're going to need to make your journal pencil case. You're going to need an external bit of fabric, an internal piece of fabric, and some batting. I am using some fusible fleece interfacing. All the measurements are going to be 7 inches in height by 7.5 inches in width. I recommend a coordinating zipper more than 8 inches in length. Mine is 14 inches. You're also going to have a piece of elastic. Mine's quite thick and it's 8 inches long, and 2 sections of binding, 1.5 inches by 5 inches. So now we have all the parts, let's start making. The first thing we're going to do is fuse our interfacing to our internal section of fabric. Attach the zipper on the longest section. So you're going to have the zipper face down. So the zipper here is going to be turned the other way. I'm going to put it face down onto the right sides of the fabric. Then take your internal section and place that on the right sides of the fabric. Either clip or pin, it's totally up to you. And just so your zip doesn't move on you. I recommend changing over from your regular foot to your zipper foot. When you start, don't forget to backstitch, locking those stitches into place and then sewing all the way down until you come to the other end of the fabric. You are going to open it up and you're going to pull both sides straight, and then you're going to top stitch along here. Now with the pouch looking like this, you're going to take the top external section of your journal pencil case and you're going to wonder clip this into place. Just make sure that everything is lined up. And then you're going to flip the whole piece over and you're going to place these to the seam of the other seams that we just put down. And you're going to take it over to the sewing machine and you're going to stitch all the way down. You're going to unzip everything, pull it all the way down, flip it out, and we just want to top stitch this side all the way down. Make sure that your journal pencil case is flipped inside out, so what you're looking at here is the external, the fabric should be facing you, so whatever's on the outside of your journal pencil case is going to be facing you. So you just want to fold it over and you want to find the central point of this pencil case and then just give it a mark with a friction pen. And then do the same on the other side. Just try and find your center of your pouch. And it's about there. And I'm going to mark this here. Now take your elastic, and that is where your elastic is going to go. So wherever your central mark was, just pin the elastic into place there. And also on the other side. pin or grip and then sew these into place with a scant quarter, so not quite a quarter of an inch, just a little bit. Cut off any excess thread and any excess elastic. Now we're going to turn everything inside out and you're going to zip it up. You're going to make sure that the zip is central to that elastic. Then clip into place and do the same thing for the other side. Just look down there, make sure that everything's in line, and we are going to clip into place. The most important part of this is to send that zipper pull down. I'm just going to pull it down part of the way like so, and then clip everything back again. So making sure that that pull is out of the way, you can now snip both this part of the zipper off and you can snip off this part of the zipper. Take one of your binding sections and put it down against the raw seam and clip over, making sure everything's lined up. Then the excess of the binding will then wrap around. So you can move him down and you can wrap around here and clip that into place. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. So you're just going to get everything lined up and clipped. And you're going to fold this to the other side. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other one. Now take it over to your sewing machine and sew across 1/4 of an inch. Snip off any stray threads and fold it up. Now you're going to turn it around so it looks like this. You're going to fold it over and then fold it over again, and you're going to cover them stitches that we just did, and you're going to put some wonder clips there so it doesn't open up. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Fold over and then fold over again. So it just covers all them raw seams, and then clip into place so it doesn't unfold on you before you get to the sewing machine. Now take this to the sewing machine and sew into place. Now you can push this zip down a little bit further, and then it's going to be easier for you to turn this right sides out. So once you've turned it right sides out, you can slip it over onto your journal, like so. And you'll be able to carry your pens with your journal, like so. I hope you've enjoyed this sewing tutorial. I have over 500 on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and you'll see me in the next video. Goodbye.